Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video, I'm going to be uh, showing you if you using the stocks for active income and passive income. Now, what is active income? First of all, I would explain this to you. These two definitions to you about active income and passive income. Now, active income is that income in which you participate regularly and you compete with other people as well, which means it means that your presence is required in that profession or in that what you can say what you can call define whatever you can say clearly to that. Passive income is something uh, that comes uh, that comes to you without being involved in that particular activity. Now, trading stocks as active income and passive income. Now, there are in active income, I would say there are two ways. One is a short one you can see a short trading. The other is long trading, and one is day trading. Now, day trading you can consider something as active income. Also, you can consider short term trading as an active income. Now, both of these, when you buy for a shorter period of time and sell as your presence involved in those two trades. Now, if you say about long term trading, now that's something else. You purchase the stock, you buy the stocks, invest in those stocks for a term of 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, maybe 5 years, or maybe 10 years. Now, that is something you've bought the shares and bought the stocks and kept it and not think about it. That is something else. Well, it's much boring. That you can consider as passive income. Now, there are other things you can get out of passive income as well. One is through long term trading, and one is through like you have invested in a dividend yield stock which pays out dividend at a certain after a certain period of time, like after a quarter or a semi-annual or annual or annually they pay out dividends. So you have invested in that type of stocks. Now, that is passive income. That you can also use use stocks as well, like that as well, to get out dividend and to get the dividends and do whatever you want with that. Now, that is something else. You can also do that as well. That is also called passive income. Now, active income, I would prefer active income by passive income. Now, let's say if you have more investment, like let's say you have 100,000 100,000 in your bank account. Now, if you use this money, like divide this into four parts. All right, four parts: 250, 250, and 250 each. No, 25, 25, 25 each. Sorry, like that. It's $100,000. Now, the way to do is, if you want to invest in three portions, in three different companies, in three different stocks. Now, this I've showed to you in the previous videos as well. If you want to invest one portion of it into long term trading. Invest long term in that for about 3 years, and the rest you can trade oftenly, and with the rest three parts trade frequently, like short term or day trading, something like that. You can trade something like that to get better results. Now, this is the method of trading, like I've showed to you. This is the one way you can invest. So you can also get the dividends as well by long term trading, and by short term trading you can also get the returns as well, which you are trading over time, like, oh, you are trading frequently in the stock market. Now, you can also do this is a great technique to use in the for trading in the stock market to get active income and passive income out of it. Both of these methods are useful. You can apply both of them as well. Well, if you knew any other method of trading in the stock market, suggest comment that below in the comment section. I will discuss that also. And up till that, that's it for today. I hope you guys are enjoying my video and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.